All right, we're still in Mexico, day 5. We are wrapping up this week. We made our scene, but I left it out because I wanted you to look at this little guy. What is on his head?
That is a sombrero.
A sombrero. So, my friend went over to the store. She bought herself a sombrero. Do you see it on there?
Oh,
We're going to make a sombrero.
We need our own.
Because we have to have it. We have to have one. All right, so empty your bags. Move all your little pom-poms over. You should have a couple of strips, like a zigzaggy piece, and then you should have some tabs. All right, let's set our tabs to the side. That'll be the last thing we do. Put your hat in front of you so that the wide part, brim, okay, that's in your directions, that's the wide part, is facing you. I'm gonna let it face Miss Rachel for now. And we are going to decorate our hat. Okay. Do you know why they wear sombreros? Or where they even came from?
I don't know a whole lot about the origin story, but I know it is hot in Mexico and it is sunny. So they probably just need some head protection. Just
there you
sure
go. Especially when they're working too. They have it on for shade to keep them cool. Just like we would wear a hat. But they're smarter because the brim goes like all the way around. So lots more shading. All right. So line your zigzag up anywhere that fits. I mean, that does not look right. So pull it up. This does not look right, so push it down, okay? Once you figure out where it fits great, flip it over, give it some glue. Woo. This glue is messy today. All right, and then flip it back over, right about there, right about there. Press it down. Okay. All right. Next, we have these. Well, that doesn't look right.
No, it's kind of hanging off the edge there. It doesn't look
this
quite
one looks
right.
a little bit bigger. This one looks a little bit smaller. So let's see if I can get this to fit. Let's see, do I want it like that? Or do I want it like this? I think maybe...
That looks pretty good. That's pretty close.
Maybe like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, that's where I'm gonna go. All right, so once you figure it out, how you want it to be, flip it over and glue it up. Flip it over. Whoops. Glue it up. It is sticky. All right, one more. And if you don't want to put all 3, you certainly don't have to, but
I think it looks kind of cool with all 3.
Yeah.
There we go. Awesome.
All right. And then we have, of course, our little pom-poms. So figure out where you want them. Do you have to do exactly what I'm doing? Oop. Not at all. I think I'm going to put them at the tip. What does that look like?
Well, just like that, it looks like a V.
Yeah.
What if you...
Oh!
And then, if you exactly, M for Mexico.
There you
just
go.
like that, yep.
I didn't even see that one. All right. Okay, that's where I'm going to go. Put it in any order you want.
Perfect.
And then glue and shove it on there. Glue, shove it on there. I wouldn't advise doing this because then you're gonna get fuzz all over your glue stick.
Yeah.
So, and if it shows the purple, it will dry clear, so don't worry. All right. Do you like Mexican food?
Oh, I love Mexican food.
It's my
love
fave. My absolute fave. All right. Now, we want to be able to wear it. So these have to kind of go opposite so that they hook. Okay? If you have them like this, it doesn't work. Okay? So make sure when you lay it out that these little slits are opposite. One side is up, one side is down. Do you see that? All right, then glue, lift it up, and push it down. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing over here. Put a little glue, lift it up, and push it down. Okay, you ready?
Let's see it.
I'm probably gonna get glue in my hair.
Probably.
I'm gonna do it for you guys.
The sacrifices we make.
Okay, so let it dry a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart because I did not let it dry. But, so you got it lined up. One up, one down. Might be like this. Okay. Then we are going to glue, but we're gonna glue a little further back. We don't wanna glue the top edge so it'll stick out, okay? So put some glue on, all right? And then push it in a little bit. Maybe hold this up, okay? So that when you go to wrap it around your head, this brim stays flat and doesn't wrap around, okay? You see that? All right, let's do the other side. Glue, and then remember, hold a little piece up and slide it back just slightly because you want it to stick out. Just like that. All right, bam. And then you can attempt to put it on your head.
Let's try it. Let's see.
Ready?
Yeah, let's see it.
All right. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try to put it together before I put it on my head.
There you go. That's a good idea.
All right.
All right, let's see.
I don't know if it's too... I didn't let it glue enough.
Yep.
You're probably gonna have to hold it for a second. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
en español.
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. Maybe my head is a little big. Maybe I need to go here. We'll see.
Let's see.
All right. Let's see.
Mm.
What do you think?
Lovely. Muy bonita.
Need some maracas now?
That's right.
Thank you. Gracias.
De
Miss
nada.
Rachel.
De nada.
All right, you guys. I hope you have had fun in Mexico. Adios.